See, one thing is sure, at the moment there is no vacancy of Chief Ministership. I have said very clearly earlier also, but the BJP is prepared for all eventualities. BJP is prepared and is having plans for whatever that needs to be done so that it has a proper government in place. It has streamlining of the functioning and the working of the government machinery to solve people's problem and to keep up the fast pace of development. This is our endeavor. Now, if some people are joining and strengthening the BJP further, I think it is a good thing happening to the BJP. Why should we grudge that? We have not forced anybody to come and join us. It is people who are coming voluntarily to join us. We have seen two honorable MLAs resigning to join the BJP, embracing the BJP. That means something good has been done by the BJP. They want to do something good in their constituencies. You may have more people following suit. So you will have more MLAs coming. So this is bound to happen in a political party which is performing, which is doing overall development of the entire state. And in this particular way, we will be see that in due course of time, people themselves will start to say, now we have a strong functional government which delivers.